Tagal na rin natin hindi nakapag-vlog. Napanood ko si Casey Neistat, kaya naisip kong kunin ulit itong camera at makapag-vlog ng konti. Si Mami, magawa siya ng dinner. And here's Muji. Tagal ko na palang hindi nakakapag-edit.
We're gonna go to Clear Beach. I forgot the rest of the name. What's up, everyone? Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and for more videos. This has been a long time. So, see you at the beach. Woo! Dad's gonna fix something. Bro. It's cold.
Bad trip, nadala ko yung kayak. Kalimutan ko naman yung paddle. So hindi rin tuloy nila magagamit.
A few moments later.
Guilty naman na hindi makapagkayak itong dalawa when yun naman ito talaga ang balak namin. So bumalik ako sa bahay para kunin yung aking kayak. Ay yung aming paddle. Ito na sila. Moji, can you follow Sachi? Mainit na yung araw pero malamig pa rin yung tubig kapag unang lusong. So kailangan mo magtagal para makasanayan mo. Kaya mami natin nakamaong pa. Nagbaon kami ng breakfast kaya dito kami kumain. Masarap yung tubig pag tumagal. Tingnan na. Malamig. Who's the winner?
Yeah, we raced. I won.
Okay. Where's your sunglasses?
Huh?
Put on your sunglasses so you won't be bothered by the sunlight.
Bye.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I can't see properly.
No, that's okay. So you can get
So
used to
dark.
it. It's okay. So you won't be damaged by the sunlight.
Can someone touch me? Are you filming us?
Later. One is fun. One is to shoot.
No.
Good. Got it.
Daddy, can I on the other side?
Yeah, okay.
Whoa!
Kaya sanay na talaga magkayak ng dalawang to Nakakatuwa lang sila kapag ganyan naglalaro sila imbis na gumagamit ng gadget o naglalaro ng computer games. Pero mas masaya sana kung may mga kaibigan tayong kasama dito ngayon.
Ang ganda ng tubig kapag maaraw. Tingnan mo Tingnan nyo Lalapit natin ano itsura.
Just a few feet away. Daddy, go in the water. It's cold though.
It's cold. It's cold.
Go, bro. Go in the water, you see.
No, kasi I have my microphone attached to it. It's not waterproof right now. Malapit kami dito sa Palm Beach Jetty. So may mga nagfi-fishing dyan, tsaka may mga nagda-diving.
Then look at their almost scurvy.
And saya lang na ganito kasi yan, mababaw lang yung tubig nila, banayad, tapos nakakapag-kayak sila. Ang tagal din namin hinintay itong medyo mag-uminit-init kasi winter. Oh, so cold.
You get used to it.
Hmm?
You get used to it.
Yeah, used to it. Let's see.
Hi guys, I'm gonna go check the fishing.
I'm gonna go check the fishes.
It's at the deep end, near the seaweed.
Near the seaweeds. Are you now used to your sunglasses?
Yeah.
Actually, not too far, okay?
Hi guys, I'm gonna circle around you.
Muji, try to learn how to use your sunglasses because you might damage your eyes.
Okay.
Look at this view, so beautiful. Remember,
Circle.
Shanti's afraid whenever he gets near the seaweeds.
Kind of looks like people to her. If I was her, stay back. Can I hold the camera?
No, you won't be able to use that.
Okay. Guys, come on, let's go to the other side.
Ayan. Kailangan natin gumamit ng toilet kaya punta tayo sa toilet. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng toilet nila dito, ha? Ang high-tech. Ito yung kanilang smart toilet. Pagpasok mo, touch mo lang to. Tapos pag-open, let's close the door. It's locked. Your maximum use time is... Kuha tayong tissue. Wala nga yung CR nila. Kapag ka hindi nila-detect na gumagalaw ka, sasabihin niya walang nadedetect na movement yung thermal scanner. O open daw yung banyo. Baka mamaya may ibang pumasok. Kinabahan ako doon sa banyo. Sabi ba naman, wala daw na nadedetect yung thermal scanner na movement. Gumalaw-galaw daw para makita ng ano. Tapos sabi, dahil wala daw na-detect na movement, i-detect daw na vacant. Bumukas yung pinto. Bumukas yung pinto. Nakaupo pa ako sa trono. Yeah.
Found the cool shell.
Ah, yep. That's cool shell. Does it have a name?
No, but I found it. This is what's inside.
Oh. You hungry?
Nah.
Nah? Good.
Why?
Nothing. We don't have food. Are you done?
No. I'm just playing this here. Here, Dad. I'm gonna take a seat.
Now put it there.
Huh? Mom, I've
Put it
never
down.
seen a shell like this.
What's going on there?
Ah! Now do it.
Oh, look at Sachi. Sachi's floating. No, no, Muji, don't. Let him. Let him. Let him hit his head.
Do it again.
Do
it
it.
again. Okay.
Why don't you swim, Muji?
I like this. I can see what's involved. No, you're gonna make it small. Stay back! Stay back! I don't want you to slip on! I have to get to this side.
But our mommy is sleeping. Look, let's have a look. Now look at this. The water is so clear. Whoop. Sachi, the water is so clear. I can see the floor.
I know.
I can see the ocean floor. Is there any fishes?
No.
Nope.
Finally, these paddles are straight. Who did that? Me?
I did. Sachi, how many times did you pee in the water?
Hey.
Nothing. Ayan, alas 12 na. May alas 12 na ba, Mami?
Kanina pa.
Kanina pa? Ayos lang, lumilipas ang oras ng ganito. At least pasasabi mo may nangyari sa weekend mo. Sana naman may audio to, no? Hindi ko pala na-check kung naitama ko yung settings ng external microphone.
Kanina parang mabagal.
Alauna na pala, parang kanina nga ang bagal. Mula dumating tayo ng alas 10, tapos nakarabalik ako alas 11.
Hindi tayo.
Oo. What are you guys doing?
Making the ground harder.
Alright, Sachi?
Got sand in my eyes.
That's why you have to put on sunglasses. Tingnan natin yung makabili tayo ng drinks para kay Mami. And order tayo ng milkshake para kala Mami tsaka kala Muji and Sachi. Mahilig sa milkshake yung mga yun eh. Like on holidays. Without having to pay for airfare.
Cheers.
Right, Mami? Cheers. Okay, at ngayon nakauwi na kami dito sa bahay pagkatapos nating mag-beach and mag-kayak kasama ng mga bata. And halos umalis kami ng mga 9 o'clock tapos ngayon siguro mga 3 o'clock na. So halos 6 hours, 5 hours kami na nasa beach. Ayun eh, at least naipasyal natin yung mga bata ngayong school holiday nila kasi kadalasan dahil nasa work ako, nasa bahay lang sila. Naglalaro ng kanilang iPad, ng kanilang computer. So ngayon, at least they were able to play under the sun and enjoy the sand and the beach. Yun. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin ha. At dito ko na siguro tatapusin tong vlog ko na to. Kung bago lang kayo dito sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga future videos ko. At kung dati ko na kayo subscribers, maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na panonood at laging tatandaan, like, share, and comment lang para tuloy-tuloy ang kwentuhan. And I will see you on my next video. Makeup na mga libro. Nahilig kasi magbasa ng gantong libro yung mga bata. $15 lang, madami na. 4. Sachi, what do you think about the kayak and the beach?
It was awesome.
Awesome, right?
Yeah, I know.
That's the highlight of your school holiday break.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But soon, all of this will end.
What?
All of this will end.